Hey, if you have clicked this video, you might be having trouble with designing emails for your Shopify brand. And in this video, I'm gonna cover a lot of things. So bear with me, watch till end, and I'm gonna be dropping so much of the information that you would be paying like thousand in the courses. I had took every course in this niche, and I'm an expert email designer. So without any delay, let's discuss the topics. In this video, I'm gonna cover how to design an email that gets more open rates, click rates, and eventually more orders for your brand. And I'm also touch base on how much time does it take to design an email and how to export an email, how to write copy, and what are the different sections in an email you should take care of while designing an email. So let's get started in this video. So as you can see, we already have an email designed over here, and in this topic, how to design an email for more open rate, click rates, I'm gonna discuss. So firstly, let's discuss how to get more open rates. Then comes the click rates, and then comes the place order, right? So we're gonna go by a sequence, right? Open rates comes with the perfect timing and when your ideal customer online on the phone, right? So these are very contrary questions which can be answered with one answer. Okay, so bear with me. So it's the most open rate timings in my experience are from 9 a.m to 12 noon. Okay, so if you send in those timings, still one is also fine because people are getting lunch breaks, they are at their homes, they are preparing things, right? Or might be in any case they are opening emails. Avoid Saturday Sundays, do not send emails on Saturday Sundays because people are traveling, doing their weekly chores, right? And as you know, you can also take a coming towards the more click rates, right? As you can see, if you need if you want more click rates, you should be sending more educational emails to your ideal customers so that they can click your emails and visit your websites and eventually place an order. So these two key metrics like click rates and order rates are very nearby because whenever the customer clicks, they views the products and they shop or they do not shop it. Okay. Now getting that off the way, next up is how much time does it take to design an email. So this email took me 1 hour 30 minutes to design, and there are a lot of reasons behind that, and there are more graphics involved to design this email. And what are the different sections in an email that you should take care for not destroying your email reputation or subscribers who are eagerly waiting for their email. Trust me, whenever you send an email, your subscribers are really waiting for your email if they really like it. Do not spam with just sale or anything else, right? Send them infographics, and this was a drop email, that why there are no kind of infographics over here, but still I managed to add the no sugar, right? The masala cola. This is that specific product where this wrapper is having on having in their hand, right? So as you can see, this whole section with this big button, this is called the hero section. So what are the rules for this section? There should not be any generic buttons over here, only the logo, some graphics, some information, right? Information over here, and a big button which we also know as calls to action, right? Why this is important? This act as a ad creative. As you can see, when a customer sees ad, they click it, right? Whenever this is the like the first impression in your email, whenever someone clicks your email, okay? And the second one is the bridge section. So it says there's comes some more information, 0 calories, right over here. So it should be so skimmable that they do not need to read a big chunk of paragraph, right? If they want, they can read it. So this is the product section with the product name and what's ml is coming. So this is a canned product, right? And here's the simple description all for all three, and here's the footer. And coming towards the footer, I have experienced that if you have a more buttoned footer, right, and with different categories, you're gonna convert more, you're gonna get more click rates, open rates, and more visitors to your website, and eventually more orders. So coming towards how to export an email is really simple. If you just select this thing and go to file and over here, right, and over here it says file export, right, export selected, and then you will be able to export it on your desktop, right, and eventually update in your email sending software like Klaviyo or Omnisend, right, or any other which you use. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hope I answered all the questions. Let me know in the comments if you need any help, or you can directly book a call from my website to work with me.